Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. Dear children of class 7th CBSE, myself Rashmi, your science teacher, and today we are going to study chapter number 9, Soil. Children, this is the second part of this chapter. Children, in the first part of the chapter, we had studied about the soil, why soil is said to be the natural resource, and the different constituents of the soil. Now in the second part of this chapter, we will study about the soil formations, agents that cause weathering of rocks such as water, wind, temperature, and roots of the plants. Soil formation, it means how soil is formed. Soil, which we see today, has formed thousands of years ago. Weathering is the process of soil formation from breaking down of rocks because of water, wind, temperature, and roots of the plant. Now it means, children, soil is formed by the process which is said to be weathering. And weathering is the process in which the rocks are being broken down because of the wind, water, temperature, and the roots of the plant. The agents that results in the weathering of rocks are called agents of weathering. It means water, wind, temperature, and roots of the plants are said to be the agents of weathering. Water. Now here children, we will see how water helps in the formation of the soil. Water plays an important role in the weathering of rocks. It fills in the cracks and crevices of the rocks. When the temperature lowers, it freezes. On freezing, it expands and exerts pressure on the rocks, which causes weathering of rocks, which eventually results in the soil formation. Wind. The force of blowing wind causes the rocks to fall, and also the blowing wind passing through the crevices or the cracks exerts pressure on the rocks to break down further, forming the soil. Temperature. Temperature differences that occurs during the day and night times also contribute to the weathering of rocks, that is, in the formation of soil. During the daytime, when it is very hot, the rocks expand, and at night, when it is cold, they contract. This alternate expansion and contraction of rocks results in the weathering of rocks, leading to the formation of soil. Roots. Plant roots growing through the cracks or the crevices of the rocks also contribute to the weathering of rocks. Some organisms such as bacteria and fungi and plants like lichens or lichens or mosses live on rocks or in their crevices. They produce acids that reacts with rocks and facilitate weathering. The weathering of rocks brought by the action of the living organisms is called biological weathering.